Hey guys, Glenn here. Got a video for you today. I bought, about a month ago, I bought the iRobot Roomba 960, and I'm going to show you how to properly clean the bin on this vacuum. I've watched all kinds of videos of, and even iRobot tells you to clean it the same way. And I don't know, I'm not too keen on the way they do it. Well, anyways, so here's my bin from my Roomba. Look at how dirty this thing is. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to have to take this out because that is in my way. And I will put that in my trash, like that. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Now I tell you to take this and open it. And they want you to bang it into the trash with this lid hanging. But I take the lid right off, comes out of the way. And then I'll do like they say, and I will bang it in my trash. But you still got a lot of stuff left inside there. You got a couple of pieces of dog hair right here that can come out. And then they want you to take the filter, and I'll get to that in a minute, and bang that out as well. But I'm going to show you something, because I don't do it that way. Alright, I have a little, I don't know if you can see this. Let me just angle this down for a minute. Alright, so I have a little shop vac right there. That is my little shop vac. What is it? God, I've had it for so long, I don't remember. I think it's a Q60 or Q50 or something like that. And got my hose here with my... Now I build and repair computers for a living out of my house here. I run a business here. And so I bought an attachment right here to put on it. And I have two of my attachments right here. I got a little brush right here that I can put on the end of this to vacuum. Got a little tiny crevice tool that I can put on here to get into tiny crevices when I dusted out someone's computer. So I'm going to put this back on here. And what I do first is, let me turn this off. Get a little loud, but hold on. Alright, so now I take the vacuum and I vacuum out the inside of this bin completely. That way it's completely dust-free, dirt-free, and all that. Let me see if you can get in here so you can see this. But I just go right inside of this thing and I vacuum all around the inside. Make sure I get all the stuff off of this. Okay, just like that. Now, I'm done cleaning that part. Let me go ahead and stick that back in there for a minute. Alright, now they want you to take this filter out. You grab the little old tab right here, pull your filter out. I don't know if you can see how dirty that is, but that's a pretty dirty filter. And I'm going to show you something. This is what they want you to do. Okay, I'm banging the filter like they said in the trash. Does that look any cleaner to you? No. So what I take is I take my little brush. Now normally I put this on my vacuum and do it, but I don't need to. I just put it in the fins right here and I kind of brush the fins. Like so. I get it down in there as deep as I can. And let me get this all set. Alright, now I'm going to turn the vacuum back on. Make it loud again for a second. And yeah. Okay, and there we go. Take me, now see I'm doing a video here, so it's taking me a little longer than normal, but now if you can see that it's a lot cleaner. I got all the dust out of there. And you know what? Take your filter sometime. You get one of these vacuums, I don't care which model you have, it's got a filter like this. See if it smells. If it's got a, a dirty smell to it, like dust and stuff like that. Mine don't have any odor to it. I've had it for a month now. And as you can see, it's nice, much cleaner inside the bin here. Oh yeah, and then I'll take the vacuum again. And once again, I'll turn it on. And I'm just going to vacuum off the sensors right here. Okay. There's the sensors. Let me just vacuum those clean. I'll vacuum the rubber gasket around here. Make sure I get that clean so that stays nice and sealed. Okay. That looks pretty good right there. Alright, so we're going to snap this back on. And then I'll go ahead and... Okay. Alright, and then I will take it. And, oh yeah, the outside sensors right here. I'll just vacuum those right out. Put a little crevice tool. Get right in there and give those a vacuum. And that's it. That's all there is to cleaning your Roomba bin. Because if you're just banging it out like they tell you, I can tell you right now, every vacuum I've ever owned in the past always takes on that really bad odor. I don't change the filters as often as I want you to, and I don't see a need to. I don't care if it smells as long as it cleans my floor. I don't need to have something that smells like a perfume factory going around my house. So this, no smell inside there at all. It smells just like the day it was new. That's all you got to do is my little Q60 vacuum here, 6.0, my little shop vac. I use that for cleaning, like I said, you know, dusting out computers, and that's what all I do with it. And so I'm using it for this now, and does a great job. Well, I'll just take a rag right here, and I'll just wipe off the top of the bin, just to make sure I wipe the outside of it, just to make sure that it's got nothing. Just like to keep it clean, that's all. And you know, I looked at this. It's not too expensive to replace it, so my vacuum's kind of scratching the inside of it, but it's not hurting it any. It's a little scratched inside, but that's it. So I don't care about that. If I have to replace the bin at some point, yeah, no big deal. So anyways, that's how you clean your iRobot vacuum bin. If you got the bin type, if you have the new i7, takes the bags, then you don't have to go through this process. But not too bad though. Like I said, less than 5 minutes you can have this thing done, and you're it's all cleaned out and good to go. So, all right, guys. Hey, hit that subscribe button down there. Like my videos and comment to them if you want. Try and get back to when I can. Like I said, I run a computer business out of my house. I'm on the road a lot, so don't know when I can get back to you, but I'll try and get back as quick as I can. But all right, I'm going to get on out of here and put this bin back in my vacuum so Buddy can go out and vacuum tonight at midnight. All right, guys. See ya.